Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Anok here. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit simple. It's not that hard, so you can try it out. So I tried to make like homemade pizza. So it's not my first time. I used to make always. I say what? Why not? Should I didn't try it to record it? So some people can try it to learn from what I have been doing in my house. So I try to make the homemade pizza. And before we're going to start, please, if you are new, follow your girl in social media, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. And before that, please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, please, to my channel, because it would mean a lot, and click the bell for notification, so when I upload it, you will be reminded in every Friday. So in 12 p.m. I upload it Eastern time. And so if you like and enjoy the video, give this video a giant thumbs up, please, and comment down below. So I have like today I'm going to make pepperoni pizza. So in my ingredients are here. I have 2 cups of flours, and I have 2 cups of milk here, 2 cups of milk, and I also have here salt here, and I have also bread machine here. Is to let it to make the dough rise quickly. This one. So I have 2 cups here for flours, normal flours. It's not, you can, if you have a pizza flours, you can use it, or if you don't have it, you can use like normal flour. So now and put half teaspoon salt, and I will go ahead with my bread machine here, half teaspoon. I will put it here also, and then I have to mix the ingredient with flour. After that I will put my milk, and then I will go and mix it. Some people used to make with the egg, but I don't like to make with the egg, so I just go to mix it here. I will add more milk. It's really hard. Sometimes also you can put like baking soda to make the flour relax. And also you can just add the oil, because I forgot to put the oil, so I put half of the oil also, and then I have to mix. It can make the taste really good. I just use canola oil. That's what I put it. It's really good. You can put it but anyway, if you forget about it, sometimes I just use it like that. But as you can see now, it's going to blend very well. See, it's blend very well now. Now I will go and leave it about 1 hour to let it rise, and then after that I will go and put all my topping, and then I have to put in the oven. Okay guys, I just 1 hour is done, so I have to go on to put my dough here, to spread it, stretch my dough on the top, on the contour here. So those are my topping. I have sauce here, I have half here, so I said if it's not enough, I have to add more from this one, so it's the same sauce. So the sauce I'm using this one, Glasgow, is for the pizza here, pizza. So is the one that I'm going to use it. And also I have pepperoni here. This one is pepperoni for the topping. As you can see, it's very fresh. And then I have my cheese here on top of that. So this is for pizza. So I don't need to add like what they are doing here. I'm just gonna put the cheese and put the pepperoni. I'm gonna make pepperoni pizza. The size I'm going to make it, and I'm going to make a size extra large. So first I will be put my the flour here, just a little bit, to let my thing not stick on the thing here, on the contour. So it's here right now. So here is my dough. It's pretty raised and it's well done, as you can see. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it here to stretch it in the flour. First I have to do it like this one. As you can see, it's pretty good now. So I have to put it here. I have to stretch it a little bit to put the flour on top. Make it stretch a little bit. So as you know that you do the pizza with the roller wood. So I'm going to use this small one because I don't have the roller wood. I should buy it, but I forgot at the store. So I will go and stretch it a little bit, like this one. As much as I can, because it's very sticky, the flour. Or just I can do like this one. And then after on I have to stretch it with the wood. So I will go in and stretch a little bit. It's almost done. I just need to do it like this one. now it's done. So I'm going to bring my tray, and I have to polish it with a little bit of oil so it can be okay. Here is my tray. It's very clean, and I have my oil here. I just dip it in and just put it in here, not to stick it later on. Just put a little bit. Now it's done. So I will move on and place my pizza on the tray. So I have to be slowly. I will flood it a little bit, make it all together. So now it's done, as you can see. Now I'm going with my sauce. I think this one is enough. It's pretty enough. So I will go and spread it all around. So now the sauce is done. I put the sauce already. I will go and put my cheese here. If you want to make it very cheesy, you can add more cheese on top. As you can see, and then I will go and put on my pepperoni. I just put it in, make it like this one. And I will put more. Smelly good. So now it's done here. This is how to do it. So I'm going to put it in the oven about 15 minutes, and we will be back to take it later on, and we will see. 15 minutes is done, so all my pizza is right there. It looks so delicious. So I will grab it out and let's see how it went. So I will just put it right here. This is how the pizza look. It looks delicious. Let me give you the whole look on top also. It looks delicious. So I will grab my divider to divide it. So let's divide it. So it's completely done. This is how it look. It look delicious. I hope guys you enjoy this pizza and you can try it out too. So you cannot go out pizza all the time to go buy from there, so you can just make it at home. And so yeah, I hope everyone can try it out and let me know guys how it went, homemade pizza. And so yeah, this is set for today, and if you enjoyed the pizza, please don't forget to comment anything down below and try it please. It would be very helpful for you, so you won't go out and do like buy a pizza from the pizza or well, just you can make it at home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for your time and for your thank you. Bye bye.